Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today we are having a marketing summit at the Omni Hotel in downtown Louisville. We invited about 25 of our distributors around the country. So we got people from as far as California, Utah, Chicago, and everything in between. What we've covered this week, we've looked at a subject matter like let me tell you a story and the power of social media. We've also looked at, what can WireCrafters do with you in marketing? And the last thing was measurement made simple. Now we've had guest speakers come from the marketing squad and also Jason Falls with the Cornet Company. That's what we'll do this week, and
we'll see you next week on another episode of Milt.
Not quite all together, but pretty good. Good job.